For an upcoming project of mine, I will be mounting MDF strips sideways on the wall. To these strips I might also want to mount photo stuff. I was pondering if I could use the same hole for the two purposes. If I could countersink a hole for the screw that fastens the strip to the wall, and in the same hole mount a threaded insert and attach the stuff with machine screws. Time for an experiment with some scrap MDF. I drilled a 7mm hole almost all the way through, leaving about 5mm at the bottom. I then drilled a 2mm hole the rest of the way. After that I dropped the 3mm screw into the hole and then proceeded to screw the threaded insert into it. The threaded insert is just big enough for a Torx T10 driver. And after some fiddling, I finally find the screw and start fastening the piece to the other piece. There, nice and secure. I can then proceed to screw the M4 screw into the threaded insert. And later on easily can remove the screw again without worrying about the threads. Thanks for watching.